Hi everyone! Today I'm showing you how to make an easy and delicious special fried rice. Let's get started. You'll need day-old rice, 2 eggs, 1 small chopped onion, 2 minced garlic cloves, half a cup each of diced carrots, bell peppers, and peas. Add any protein like chicken, shrimp, or tofu. I'm using cooked chicken today. And don't forget soy sauce, a bit of sesame oil, and some green onions for garnish. Start by heating oil in a pan over medium heat. Pour in the beaten eggs and scramble them until cooked through. Set them aside. In the same pan, add more oil. Add the chopped onions and minced garlic and saute until golden and fragrant. Next, add the diced carrots, bell peppers, and peas. Stir for about 3 to 4 minutes until tender but crisp. Add your protein now. Now, add the cooked rice. Break up any clumps. Drizzle in soy sauce and a touch of sesame oil. Stir well so the rice is coated with the sauce. Add the scrambled eggs back in. Break them up and stir everything together. And there you have it, our easy and tasty special fried rice. Garnish with green onions for extra flavor and color. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more delicious recipes. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.